Alright, question number 28. So let's try this one. So your fx is given to you, factors of 2, and it's of the following is the equivalent form of the function f above. And no value of the f appears to be a constant coefficient. Let's try.
Okay. Yeah.
Both of you guys land on those? Okay. But let's look into it. Okay. So when they give it to you, fx is given plus 6 times x minus 4. But asking like f, the function f about which the minimum value of the function f appears to be as a constant or a coefficient. As a constant or a coefficient. So you're looking at the minimum, constant, or the coefficient. So the constant means which number is a constant? Like these numbers, right? So we want to look at it, which one is to get the minimum constant of it, or the coefficient. Okay? So let's look into this question right here. Obviously, you guys did that one in the factor form, like you multiply these two when you factor that out, so you get this one right away. But what we're asking is right here, a constant or a coefficient. Okay, it appears as a constant or a coefficient. So whenever you need a constant or a coefficient, what you need to do is you have to write it into vertex form. So which is a vertex form is basically comes with right now, since you have this one, I mean obviously x squared plus 2x is minus 24. But if I do this one, if I write it in a constant form, or the vertex form, I can call minus 24. And you can definitely write it x squared plus 2x plus 1. Because I'm going to just kind of like make this one as a, what is called a vertex form. And minus 1 minus 24. So this is up there. I can write it x plus 1 squared minus 25. Okay? So if you look at it, in this case, what's the minimum value of the f? What is the minimum value of